got up in the morning while my mother was still here, and we checked on the little boy that was here with me, and we discovered that one of the testes had disappeared, and the other one was swollen. So I asked my mother, what is it? My mother said, that is how it used to happen in the village, and the mother would treat it with some grass. So I told her that I don't know anything about it. My own grass is Jesus, and I know that Jesus will heal the testicle for me. So on Monday we came here for Bible studies. After the Bible studies, I took my mother because the servant of God was supposed to pray for her while she traveled back. So I came, I presented the case to Papa. He all saw it. The testicle one was not there. So Papa prayed for that little boy. Early on Tuesday morning, we checked and we discovered that the testicle has come back. Everything was normal. So the boy was fine while living here. So I want to thank God for that wonderful miracle that He did in my family. None less, I would have spent money in the hospital for operation. So I want to appreciate God for that. Amen.